ABB is a global technology company that serves the utilities, transportation, infrastructure, and industry markets. There's all sorts of studies that have shown the economic impact of power outages. If a business doesn't have power, they're not generating revenue. So anytime a utility is faced with unplanned outages, their goal is to get back online as quickly as possible. Providing the right information to the right people as quickly as possible is critically important. On average, only about 35% of a field technician's time is productive time. It's what we call wrench time. The rest of the time is looking for parts, it's administrative tasks, it's travel time. We believe that using an Azure-based approach to workforce management is going to help improve that 35% productive time by an additional 15 to 25%. It's not only getting power back to energy consumers, but getting water treatment plants back online so you have clean water. It's that whole kind of ecosystem. The mobile workforce management market in general is moving towards cloud as the preferred platform. The Ellipse workforce management software solution enables them to schedule workers, to dispatch those workers to the field, and then provide the mobile tools to collaborate with experts back in the operations center. It really provides that full environment for managing a mobile workforce. You can predict potential failures and then do the work to avoid outages. You've basically remedied the situation, you've kind of caught things before something disastrous happened. The capabilities of the Azure platform enables customers to reach their digital transformation goals at the pace that works for them.